So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle that circumscribes the triangle created by the lines x plus y equals to 7, 2x plus y equals to 4, and x plus 2y equals to 5. Now let's try to first understand the problem graphically. So here we have three lines. We're going to call these lines L1, L2, and L3. Now we can see here that line 1 and line 2, they're intersecting at a point, and we're going to name this point as A. Then we have line 2 and line 3. So let's say they are intersecting at the point B. And then we have line 1 and line 3 intersecting at the point C. Now clearly we see that these 3 points A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, and they also lie on the circle. So we can say here that the triangle formed by the three lines L1, L2, and L3, the triangle is going to be circumscribed inside a circle. So that's what is provided to us. Using this information, we need to find out the equation of a circle. So our first goal will be to find out the coordinate points A, B, and C. So let us begin. So first, let's name the lines. So here we are given the line 1. So line 1, let's say we are going to denote it by the equation x plus y equals to 7. So let this be equation number 1. Then we have line 2. So line 2 is denoted by 2x plus y equals to 4. So let this be equation number 2. And then we have line 3. So line 3 is denoted by x plus 2y equals to 5. Let's label this as equation number 3. Now to find the coordinate of point A, we have to do is solve equation 1 and equation 2, because that equation 1 and 2 represents the line L1 and L2. So if we can solve the two equations, that's going to give us the value of x and y, and that value of x and y is going to give us the coordinate of point A. So here we're going to take equation number 1, and from it let's subtract equation number 2. So that gives us, we have x plus minus 2x, so that's negative x. Then we have y minus y, that cancels out when we have 7 minus 4, so that's 3. And this is going to give us x equals to negative 3. So now we have the value of x. We can use either equation 1 or equation 2 to find out the value of y. The y comes out to be 10. Fine. So that means coordinate of point A. So coordinate of point A is x comma y. So that's simply negative 3 comma 10. We can similarly solve 2 and 3. The coordinate of point B. To find out that, all we have to do is solve the equation of the line L2 and L3. So that's going to give us 1 comma 2. And finally, coordinate of point C, that will be solving line 1 and line 3. So that is going to be 9 comma negative 2. So now we have successfully obtained the coordinate of point A, coordinate of point B, and C. But we can also say here that the circle is passing through 3 points A, B, and C. Okay, let's proceed from there. So by finding out the 3 points A, B, and C, what we have done, we have repurposed our question. Now we have a circle which is passing through 3 points. Now using these 3 points, we can easily find out the equation of a circle. So let us suppose that the equation of the circle, we're going to use the general form of a circle. The equation of the circle, the general equation will then be given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. We're going to label this as equation number 4. We've already used 1, 2, 3. Equation number, and it passes through the 3 points A, B, and C. So A, B, and C. So here, using this information, now we have to find out the value of the constants G, F, and C. Now this information, because the circle is passing through A, B, and C, we can say that point A, we can say the point A satisfies the equation equation number 4. Meaning we can replace the value of x with negative 3 and the value of y with 10. So let's solve this. We're going to get negative 3 squared, so that's 9, plus y squared, so that's going to be 100. 10 squared is 100, minus 6g plus 20f plus c equals to 0. We're going to rearrange the terms. We're going to get negative 6g plus 20f plus c equals to negative 109. We're going to label this as equation number 5. We can say that the point B also satisfies equation number 4. So for this point B, that's 1, 2. So we're going to replace the value of x with 1 and y with 2. And we're going to rewrite the terms to get 2g plus 4f plus c equals to negative 5. So let this be equation number 6. And finally, for point C, we will replace the value of x with 9 and y with negative 2. So that's going to give us 18g minus 4f plus c. And this will be equals to negative 85. Let's label this as equation number 7. Now we have 3 equations. So that's given by equation 5, 6, 7. And these 3 equations are simultaneous linear equations with 3 parameters g, f, and c. Now I'm not going to do this. I'll be leaving this as an exercise for you to find out the value of g, f, and c. But I'm going to state the value of g. So we finally get the value of g. So g comes out to be equals to negative 11. The value of f comes out to be negative 12. And the value of c comes out to be 65. So we have finally obtained the value of the 3 constant. So equation 1, we have already mentioned. So that's x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So let's solve this, and we're going to finally get the equation of the circle. So that's x squared plus y squared minus 22x minus 24y plus 65 equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of a circle.